Hello, today we will be looking at how to import and deploy already pre-designed campaigns and funnels in Kartra. Now, Kartra gives you the opportunity to share your funnels and your campaigns and your entire systems with other persons. So if you already have pre-designed campaigns, pre-designed funnels, you can share the funnels and these campaign systems that contain all your pages, all the tags, all the email sequences, all the lists, everything. And even if there are things like calendar settings or some forms, membership integrations, everything that it takes that is in the funnel can be shared with other persons by just giving them a code, which is called the campaign code. So in this video, I will be showing you how, if you have the campaign code, you can easily import and deploy any campaign that is shared with you. Now, I'm doing this video especially for those people who sign up for Kartra using my unique affiliate link, because if you do so, you will have access to several pre-designed funnels, right? Several pre-designed funnels will be given to you for free that you can simply use those codes, import them, deploy them, and start building your business using Kartra, right? For those who have not gotten this privilege yet, you can simply sign up for Kartra using my unique affiliate link, and I will send you bonuses worth over $3,000 for free. And you can simply go to vidpride.com/Kartra, vidpride.com/Kartra. Now, if you have already signed up and I have given you access to all the different codes for all the campaigns, all you have to do is when you log into your Kartra platform, you go to My Campaigns. When you come to My Campaigns, you see this option here. You go to Available Campaigns, not My Campaigns here. Under My Campaigns, if you see, you can only build a campaign from scratch from this place. But when you come to Available Campaigns, you will discover that it gives you the opportunity to import, right? It gives you the opportunity to import. So if you come to Campaigns, then come to Available Campaigns, and then you click Import. Now here it will tell you now campaign share code. So here is the place where you put the campaign share code that I will share with you, all the different campaigns, so that you can simply import the entire funnels, several funnels that I will send to you, so you can start using it to build the different aspects of your business. Let me just pick one of the share codes here and paste. When you paste, you click enter, and then this green button will show. You simply click next. So now you see that this campaign has tags, it has 4 pages, it has list, already designed list, it has sequences, email sequence, it has forms, one form, right? So all these things will be imported. The name of this campaign is the High Ticket Masterclass campaign. And so if you have a high ticket product that are very expensive, then you can use this campaign to sell it, and everything has been pre-designed for you. You just click import, deploy, and you attach your product, edit it to fit your brand and your product, and you are good to go. So just a click. So now I click begin import. So you see campaign successfully import. So you just see with one click, we've already successfully imported the campaign, and you close. So you see this is the campaign here, right? This is the campaign here. As it is, you are not done yet. You have to deploy and then edit, right? So you click on these 3 dots here and click on deploy. When you click on deploy, it now asks you, because you now have to start customizing it. So you simply name it whatever you want to name it. So first you give it a prefix, just any code that you will know. Maybe let's assume that we are using, if for a coaching program, coaching high ticket coaching, right? So let's say high ticket coaching, right? Then we can name it whatever we want. We could just say high ticket coaching. Maybe it's a coaching program that we have, I'm assuming. Then we simply click import. So now we've imported, but now it is deploying the assets and customizing it to make it available for us to use. So here is an introductory video, and you can watch it if you want, or you could just close it. So now you see, if you go to my campaign, you can see now that HTC high ticket coaching nights now available in my campaigns. So I can go ahead and edit it the way I want, edit the pages, edit all the assets, and I will be good to go. And then there is this percentage here to tell you how much percentage editing you've done. So if you're starting, it will be 0. When you're done customizing the entire funnel, it will be 100%, right? So this is a guide for you to let you know how far you've gone. So if you want, you can just click on this dot here and check on view assets. When you view the assets, it gives you opportunity to pick it one by one. You can pick each of these assets in this campaign to start editing. So you can just click on pages and you will notice that all the pages will come up. So here are the 4 pages in this campaign. So you can pick each of them, edit them from the thank you page to the opt-in page to the checkout page to different aspects involved in the campaign. So basically that is how you can import a done for you campaign and deploy it and customize it to use, right? I hope this has been helpful. If you have not yet signed up with Kartra with my affiliate link, you can go to vidpride.com/Kartra, vidpride.com/Kartra. So when you go to vidpride.com/Kartra, you have the opportunity to sign up here and then when you click in here, you fill in your details, and then it will lead you to a page where you have the access to the bonuses, and there are several bonuses here: training, high converting emails, high ticket affiliate funnel, $1 cash machine funnel, drop servicing agency funnel, affiliate advertorial funnel, high ticket product funnel, Kartra affiliate funnel, affiliate bridge funnel. So you just do all these things, you click, you sign up. When you sign up through this link, I will send you all this funnel, and then you use the share code, deploy it, and start making money and building your business using Kartra. If this has been helpful for you, like this video and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next one.